Is making you a few bucks online a big struggle? Well, for you, maybe you've already attempted so many different money-making strategies, but money-making has worked. Perhaps a lot of them can't even work because of location restrictions, or perhaps you simply don't know where and how to begin making money online, an extra couple hundred per day. It is something a lot of people aspire to make, especially beginners in the online money-making scene. Just think about what you can do with a few $100 a day with this video. I will help you make that extra amount of income with little to no work at all. I'll be sharing a true passive income method that will require an initial investment, difficult setup skill, and most importantly, not a lot of waiting at all. Where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. On the first website I want to show you today is called REDHUBBLE. Don't worry, this is very easy and way simpler than you might have though, but simply Redhubble allows you to sell different designs here. I'm showing you what type of designs you can sell on this website. These are just some examples on the screen. Of the whole gist of the Redhubbles is that the website helps you print designs on different items like stickers, phone cases, art, bubbles, and a lot of other stuff that doesn't need any technical skill like graphic design skills, and you don't even have to create original designs. You don't have to worry about keeping an inventory, you don't even have to sell anything yourself. This is a great strategy for beginners to start making money on the internet. Let me show you some examples of stickers with different designs that you can see here on the Redhubble. Look at this one, cost this much, and right here, and this under design it costs this much. Here you can also see different phone cases with a lot of different designs for this much money. There are just so many different products that you can sell for phone calls like this. They typically sell between $20 to $30, but like I said, there are a lot of their categories and items that you can sell your design for on redhubble.com. In just a moment, I'll show you 100% done for you and automatic software that is free stuff that you can start using it to create designs for redhubble.com. That way you can start making money online, so make sure you stay tuned and don't miss out on these steps that I'm about to show you. Read how it's done. So once you sign up for free on the Redhubble, you want to click on this button right here, which is your account, and you want to click on this button that says sell your art. So just click on this, and that will bring you to your dashboard on the Redhubble. There are a few things that you can do as a complete beginner right now. The first one is you can create different products. For example, you can upload different designs in different photos nights. You can set up a professional shop right here on the Redhubble so that people can come to you to go shop and buy different products from you. Step there, you can get paid and have that money deposited right into your bank account, but you can do either cryptocurrency bank transfers or PayPal money. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. I'll keep it simple and show you step by step how to do this. In this particular scenario, we actually want to create a product to sell, and all you've got to do is just click on this that says add design. So click on that and it's going to take you to this page where you can add your new work. So from there you have two options. Option 1 is you can upload a new design, and 2 is you can use a design that subscribes. So you're going to be starting with a brand new account, and with that new account, you're going to start by uploading the new work. All you got to do is click on this button right here to upload a design. You can see right here that the upload is completed. Now you might think, how could you get this design if you don't have any technical skills and you don't know how to design? So how can you get a full design? Did I know that a lot of us don't know how to design and create different photos and different graphics? Know exactly the reason why I wanted to show this second website, which is called Snap. Basically on snappa.com, you can create different online graphics with Snap, and it's super easy. There are a lot of different templates done for you that you can use for your needs. Once again, this is 100% free. You don't have to invest any money at all. You've got to do is click on this button to get started. Now just put in your name and your email address and a password. You can sign up for a free account on Snap. Once you log into your account, you are now able to create different designs using their design templates. You can see here, for example, that you can create some social media posts for places like Facebook and Instagram. One thing you might realize at times is that there are so many templates, but nothing might fail your standards on the Redbubble. We have to design something special so that they can print them on different items like t-shirts. For example, on mugs on phone cases, so that's the reason why I want you to pay super close attention to what I'm going to show you right now. Right here under the graphic design, I want you to type in 2200 by 2200, which is the custom design size that we need now. All filled you gotta do is click on this create button and boom, that's going to take you to this dashboard where you can start designing this. To click late from there, you can change different backgrounds, you can add effects. So for example, you can add some text on top of your design or different graphics in different shapes. There are just so many things that make everything so much simpler for you. This right here is one of the examples of the designs that I created and uploaded on the Redbubble. And I created this exact design using Snappa. Now what you're going to do is click on graphics and you can actually search for different icons, vectors, and photos. Now say for example, if I choose ice, then type in certain keywords and find different icons related to what I typed in. Now say for example, if I click on that, that's going to show up right on top of my canvas. Of course, one thing you can do is that you can drag it to make it smaller, to make it bigger, to change the size. Basically, you can also drag and drop it to put wherever place you want. The next thing you can do is that you can add text. For example, when you click on the text button, you can actually choose a heading. From there you can drag it and once again put it on top and change the tags right on top of your canvas. This is actually a very simple design that you can create using Snap. And of course, you can do it on your phone and you can do it on your computer. Once you've completed your design, you can just click on this button to download this on your phone or computer, and that's start. How you get a free design on Snap. We can create all sorts of designs. You don't need any technical skills or professional graphic design skills. Just very simple drag and drop. We're going to go back here to redbubble.com and upload design on top now. We just have to fill up simple information for your design. For example, the title can be how to make money online, the tags how to make money online, and earn $1,200. In order to upload your design on Redbubble, from there we just go down below, and you can find different product reviews of Word design printed on different items. You can see here that people actually love them. Right here is one example of the phone cases. So right here on a pillow, phone wallets, and so on. There are just so many different designs, and Redbubble helps you to print them on top of different items. Once again, you don't have to invest anything to get started with this strategy. You don't need to keep any inventory on your end, and every single month there are millions of visitors and people that come over to the Redbubble to do some shopping. So once you're satisfied with the preview of your design, you can just go down below and further media. You have to select up to 2 options. In this case, I chose to design an illustration and also digital part. So finally, when you scroll down below, this is a very important setting, so make sure you don't miss out on this. We are going to set the default product in your shop, and I want you to make sure to choose the optimizer next for who can view this work. Make sure it is set to anybody or the public, that way other people can view your work while they're browsing and shopping on the Redbubble. And finally, under mature content, make sure to choose no, then you can just agree to the terms and conditions, and you can click on save your work right now. They start processing, and as you can see, it only takes you a couple of seconds. Then bill. Congratulations, you're almost ready to sell. So right now, you can just complete your payment details and set up your payment options. If you want, you can set it up right here. Now, I want to show you a bonus step on how you can promote your design and promote your store. So if you want to solely depend on the Redbubble to help you serve products, that are fine, but if you want to take your income to the next level, you would want more people and more free traffic going into your store and purchasing different designs. So you're going to take your responsibility and start promoting your design and promoting your Redbubble store right now. I'll show you this brand new website that no other people are talking about, which is Parler. So you can go to parler.com. This is a brand new social media platform that works something similar to Facebook. They have very low competition, so there's not a lot of people that know about this website right now. This means you have a very good opportunity and a good chance to get a lot of free traffic, especially from animal lovers, to go on and purchase your design on the Redbubble. So if you're gonna join Parler today, all you gotta do is click on this create a brand new account. From there, just bring your email address, your mobile phone, and a password, then verify your account. Once you've logged into your Parler account, that's what you're going to see. How the thing that's they have a hashtag system. And you can see it right here trending right now. So here are the tags that people are using, a lot of different hashtags right here now. You can see here that when I look up the keyword make money online, I can find different hashtags that people are using related to make money online. Now, when I click on these hashtags, you can find different people from different countries in the world here engaging in the community. They're posting, adding different pictures and different videos related to make money online. You can tap into this free traffic and this close-knit community in the Parler, and you can use this opportunity to promote your Redbubble shop. When people click the link on your store, they're gonna go over to this page and they can browse around, and potentially they might even buy from you. Now, the more different designs you upload on Redbubble.com, the more chances you have that you're going to make money from this website. Redbubble will try their best, of course, to help you promote and sell your designs, but if you want to take your income to the next level, you have to promote them yourself, and Parler is a very good platform for you to do that. Here on Parler, you can target people who are interested in a certain design that you're offering. That way you can attract people. But remember, it's very important to put in the hashtags, and that's how you can upload different designs and start selling different items on the Redbubble and get them to help you promote their products, and at the same time increase your income by promoting them as well by using this Parler strategy. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.